can't play. Me don't play job underestimate. Underestimate them feel man soft. Christian till it and palm when the night come. Any scene of me live with the white rum. Be my son see when he pipe down.
Guys, welcome back to another vlog. So guys, I literally just did this wig all by myself. It was long, it was about 14 inches, and I cut it short because yeah, I didn't want it to be long, so I cut it trying something different. I wanted it to be like a two, so that's what I got going on up there. Yeah, I'm gonna do some other things to it, and then I don't know, I'm contemplating if I should do the edges on the mannequin or if I should do it on my actual, when I put on the actual wig. That's what I'm kind of trying to decide, but let me know what you think, guys. My lines isn't too straight, but I'm gonna fix that when I put like foundation in the parting. Technically what I'm doing, guys, is I'm practicing on my older wigs. This is not really a old wig, but I've worn it before. I worn it once before. It was a 14-inch, and today I just cut it. This looks about like a 10-inch right now, so I feel like for me with hair, you're either gonna be super long or you're gonna be extremely short. I don't feel like I can handle when the hair is on my neck. I don't like when the hair touch me like that. I think the longest I like my hair is between 28 to 30 inches because I just like things to look realistic. Even 24 inches is good for me because 24 inches is just more realistic. This is what it looks like, guys. You can tell me what you think. I'm going to finish it up now. I think I'm just going to wrap around these, and then I'll just finish it up when it goes on my hair so you guys can see what that looks like. So I can't go with me when we're ready for the little edges here because I feel like on wigs, edges are kind of like the struggles. Edges are the things that give me the struggles. So I did this, and I'm going to actually see how it plays out when I decide to let's see how it plays out. Alright, so I had to grab my remote because I'm watching Watch Chrissy Works, and yeah, it's a little bit noisy. So back to what I was saying. In today's vlog, to be honest, I'm gonna take up the camera because I was like not sure what to post for you guys this week, but my son just are gonna wing it. Like, I'm just gonna take up the camera and take you guys through the day with me. Right now I'm currently ready because I am about to go to Half a Tree to buy a skincare product, as well as, I don't know, maybe I'll look around, maybe not. I don't know where this vlog is going to take me. I just felt like I need to not lose momentum. I've been posting frequently on my channel, and I don't want, because I can't think of like a distinct content to do, I don't post something. So right now, content, I just content. I may go on something. Yes, I have on this outfit that I got from Shein. I think I showed you guys this outfit already in a previous vlog. The top says high maintenance. Anytime when I see me put on a wig here, I must know I'm not depend on the foolishness. Yeah, I just want something easy going. Right now my ear catch up in a one underneath that wig here. So if you see it look a little bit high, then that is what is going on. I want to start doing some hair videos, but I'm not gonna just dedicate my video them solely to hair. I probably like talk about hair during the vlogs, because something that I've been doing lately, I have been practicing on my older wigs, because I kind of just want to get into the hair game. I kind of just want to start lay the wig the wig them, and I kind of see my progress. Like, if you're an OG subscriber, y'all know this is nothing new for me. I would have always been doing my hair vlogs and stuff like that, but I want my hair videos, but I want to do them in the vlog. Yeah, until maybe like I start get some wig sponsors or something like that, then me will dedicate a solo videos to just that. But I don't think I'll ever do that, because I just think sitting and watching hair videos is a little bit boring, unless I do like one get ready with me chit chat. Yeah, I'm gonna really have much to talk about these days in terms of whatever. So no, I will be doing them inside of the vlog. So I'm currently going to go on the road, and as Mr. Mega get some skincare. I wouldn't mind if I was able to find a Panoxyl soap today. I've been seeing the rave on TikTok and on YouTube about the Panoxyl soap cleansing bar, and that is something I would want to be able to purchase today. Hopefully I'm able to find it somewhere, or even the Panoxyl cleanser. Yeah, I want to kind of just get back into my skincare routine, but with the skincare routine, I don't want to be that girl that's using 10 and 15 products. I've already analyzed my skin, and I kind of just know what my skin wants. I just want a good cleanser. I want to get into toners, so I want to get a good toner. So I want to start with the ordinary salicylic acid, because I hear that that helps with, like, you know, just removing the dark marks and helping with, you know, closing up your large pores. So, and of course I have some dark mark situation going on and hyperpigmentation, so I want to try the ordinary salicylic acid. I want to try the Panoxyl cleansing bar, that is used for acne purposes, even though I don't have acne, but so I want to get that to try it out and see if it works for me. But I think I'm just going to order that, because I don't think I'm going to find it in Jamaica, and even if I find it in Jamaica, I will probably have to pay too much for it. So if you use the Molecule, any skincare from any product from the Molecules skincare brand line, you can just let me know what's your feedback on that. Either way, I'm going to get it, because, you know, I want to try it for myself. I think my mother to kind of have the same skin type, and we struggle with the same things. So right now her face is glorious, and she has been using a new skincare routine, and it has been working for her. So I just want to try, I want to dabble in it a little bit and see how it works for my skin. Hopefully it works. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. What's next? Skincare, hair plans. Tell me if you guys want to see me do Shein haul, because I have been attempting to like stack my cart, because I want to get some things for from Shein and other clothing brand lines as well. The thing is, I just don't like shopping these days. I don't know if it's me alone. Like, I just hate to be sitting on, I don't like to go out, and I don't like to go on the road. I don't like to go into the stores. I don't like to walk up and down. But I also find that I'm losing interest in online shopping too, just sitting down and just scrolling through everything and putting outfits together. I don't feel like it's that I'm losing interest. I feel like I do so many different things, and it's just so hard for me to maneuver all of these things all the time, and so I tend to lose interest in some things when I'm more focused on some things, and I'm more focused on other things right now. So just sitting down and, you know, shopping on Shein is just something I've been not doing for the past 2.5 months, which is quite weird, because I'm always ordering. I always have packages coming in. I don't have no packages coming in right now, and I don't like that. I like to receive packages. I like to unbox stuff. So I'm gonna get on my game of like ordering stuff and try to get a little bit more into the hauls for you guys. So these are some of the contents that, of course, I am hoping to bring to you. Well, no, these are some of the contents that I'm going to be bringing to you throughout the vlogs. My content is really vlog style, but I'm kind of switching things up a little bit and giving you guys a little bit more serious content. Like if you watch my previous video with me going on blind dates and giving like motivational advice, or some things that you will also see me do from time to time just to switch it up. But really the mainstay or the main thing on my channel right now are vlogs. Regardless of what I'm doing, I'm just gonna try to do it in a vlog style, because I like vlogs. Who doesn't like vlogs? Guys, how can I forget? Also released a new single on my platform, on my music platform. It's on Spotify, it's on iTunes, it's on my YouTube, it's in YouTube Music Library. Currently not on my Vivo because I intend to like put a video or a visualizer. You guys can go ahead and stream my new song, which is called Apply the Pressure. Yes, Jack City Records produced that one. Big up to Jack City Records. Yeah, I think it's a nice little song, it's a nice little redo of Lady Stars. Baby, are you up for this? Give me all your loving so that I can turn and twist. Yes, so I can go listen to it, stream it, so follow my platform there for more music. It's gonna be non-stop music all 2025. Okay, so just go ahead. I'm gonna rush the thing, guys. I'm gonna rush it. I take my time, I put out my music, I feel out myself, I see what I'm comfortable with, I try see what I like, what I gravitate to. So I'm gonna rush it, but you're gonna always be getting music from me. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel and just keep up with what I am doing musically. All right, recently I saw a post with someone that was saying I want to be a content creator, but I don't want people in my personal life. I can relate to that post so much. If you notice, I've been so disconnected from you guys. I haven't been doing much sit downs, much personal chit chats like these. I haven't really been doing. I've just been getting straight to the point in my videos. I just feel like it needs to come natural for me, and I think one of the things that I was concerned about was just being mindful of the fact that I don't want to overshare, because that's just where I am in my life. One time, if you're an OG, you would have remembered me saying I'm just going to refrain from vlogs because they just were getting too personal. I've had instances where people would just pop up at my home, uninvited, unannounced, like complete strangers, and it was getting really scary for me at one point. So they just kind of cut out the vlogging. But yeah, I'm trying to just get out of my head with that and just continue, because I love to create content, I love to vlog, and for now I just like kind of just take my time and work my way back in. All right, so I just hope you can just bear with me and just, yeah, if you rock with me, just stick it through with me and just, yeah, I'm so inconsistent sometimes. Mental health has a lot to do with it, guys. Take care of your mental health. Make sure that you are okay up here. And then the thing about content creating mentally, if you're not in a stable place, or if you're not comfortable, or if you're not happy, content creating becomes very, 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 very hard. Yeah, those are some of the challenges, but may I get through it, guys. As I say, wanna just bear with me. All right, I hope to do a little bit more of these little connect with me type of chit chat videos, because I do want you guys to get to understand me a little bit more. I'm a personality. For those that have been subscribed to me for a while and have been on this journey with me, y'all know me a little bit, but I've also matured and grown a lot since then. So if you guys will be able to tell the difference, I'm a lot more grown now. So as you guys continue to rock with me, you will see like the difference in terms of yeah, just the difference, just the growth, so yeah, I look forward to that for you guys just the same. Anyway, guys, enough blabbering. I'm just gonna get into the video. Remember, we're just having it today so that we can create content. So this video might not even be much of nothing, but as I saw the other day on TikTok, a girl said, just post your content, girl. So I'm just going with the flow, and then I'm just going to edit it and post it wherever it takes us. Okay, guys? All right. So yeah, let's see you guys when I'm on the road. Come on the road with me. Come on the road with me. All right, guys. So meet Gabrielle, and she's also a YouTuber. So I want you guys to go and follow her up. So let me subscribe, guys.
It's called Gabrielle Silva Films.
Show them. Tell them what your channel is about.
Basically, my channel is about like daily life vlogs, but right now, I'm trying to change up like the content to like just different content, and yeah, pretty much it. You guys should check out my channel.
If you want more, check out Gabrielle Silva. Alright, she's showing us how I can see it. Subscribe. And subscribe here so too. Alright? Later. Bam.
Yeah.
I don't know what about Hamchi, but I hate coming out here and standing in the bank line. It's not something that I like. Standing anywhere in Hamchi for too long is not something that I like. I don't know, am I the only one? I think I get kind of paranoid. Yeah. I don't know, Jamaica is just too crazy right now. Everything I can just paranoid. You can't trust somebody have to look on everybody. Everybody just look like a thief. All the women, you can't even trust them. You just have to, you know, just have to size them up. So don't come too close to the mom. You know you're a woman and sing, but right now I'm not really trust you. I just don't feel like the average right now.
Yeah, they hate, but they broke though. And when it's time to pop, they had no shit. Yeah, I'm pretty, but I'm loco. Hey, yo, Keys, what up, bro? Hey, yo, Keys, what up, bro? It's a man, you don't know.
Okie dokie, guys. So I'm probably hear the dogs in my bar, but just try for not pay that no mind. So I'm dressed because crank up them call me change of plans. So I know I started this vlog telling y'all that I would be doing a bunch of shit. Don't seem like that's gonna be working out in this vlog because we'll have a whole different plan going on right now. But first, I'm gonna just show them my outfit. So I'm with the tennis skirt vibe right now, and this top is from New Look. Yeah, I think it's an English brand. And my hair, yeah, and I'm deciding at this point what shoes I'm going to wear. But let me just talk a little bit about what's going on. So I know I started the vlog, guys, telling you a lot about what I was gonna do, change of plans. So Crank Up is in town with the guys, and they decided to do some content, and I don't know what's happening, but them asked me to stop by the set, so I'm gonna pull up there and hopefully just get some vibes. I think it's Demar's birthday. I think I just realized that it's Demar's birthday too. I don't know if I can get the time to stop and just get something. Maybe that not gonna work based on the time, based on the traffic, and based on the time they want me to get there, and based on the time no, I might not be able to get something. But happy birthday tomorrow if you're watching this vlog. So I'm gonna pull up a Crank Up them and see what is happening. Hopefully we can get some content. I pre some more prank him, you know, but I can't think of nothing right now. So I'm gonna pull up on the set and we just gonna vibe. And as I'm telling you, the vibe, yeah, that vlog and I have no direction. We just wing it and see it. Something came up, so let's work with it. So this is my outfit of the day. I had a different top that I was thinking of wearing with this, but I'm gonna put on this and it'll give me a vibe. So like I'm gonna be working with it because girl, just life will be different, my thing different. Yes, because Tash Alexander for that song there, my thing different. All right, so guys, just rock with me, roll with me, and let's continue the vlog. Let's see what's up inside. There, we're planning for it, man. I don't know what they're doing. So let's see what's up when we get upstairs. I feel like more crank up, but just like not sure how. Just not sure how. I'm thinking about it as I go through the vlog. I know I can prank him. We are going to prank him, guys. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna prank him. He's coming, he's coming, he's coming.
Yes. So now we're doing. Oh, really?
So now I'm telling us we are going to prank up that we didn't know. There are some problem. And His birthday, you see there? Yeah, birthday. Fresh lemonade, clean every day, yes, every day.
Yo, one time we have a clean out
And clean with the image. Image. You can't play the music. But him not ready to swim over the start though. Can't I like when you have my ear music, I boom in my ear. Oh, the my girlfriend. Oh, you come at something birthday and bring your girlfriend. You come for your girl.
Yeah. Nah, I don't got no girl like type shit. Like I'm not getting no like girlfriend.
He live from Cranco.
You
I
don't
don't
get
think
no
I'm going to
girl.
eliminate.
What kind of element you are going to Franco?
My Cranco element.
Sure, take care of it. Take time with the element.
Sorry, so I thought you come from.
I'm always doing something.
No, I'm birthday. I saw a trip with that.
No, I'm not talking about you. I'm telling you on the road.
Yeah, that.
But like when you don't shoot one, I used to shoot.
If you don't picture already, I don't know where you have to
No, I take a picture.
Yeah, but
You never teach me that. They seem now.
Yeah, no.
Yeah,
No, can't come tell it.
yeah, true.
My
Yeah,
tell it. To them, is saying I think tell it.
Yeah. Alright, that's the kid, you know, say.
From there, yeah.
Oh, he switch. No, me I say when he switch, you see, me if you look, I'm gonna look.
Make me a beer, It's someone. Look at power in it. Look at power.
Stop that shit now.
No.
Jesus, that's a good idea.
What the squeeze to put that in my eye?
Yeah, right.
You vlogging?
I'm can't look at that like that.
No, you're not looking at the thumbnail. I'm looking for really rare.
We like what kind of reason? It's your birthday. It's your birthday, boy. It's your birthday. It's your birthday, boy. It's your birthday. It's your birthday, boy. It's your birthday. You can't answer me.
No, I'm not dance. I birthday dance, that guys. That's the birthday dance type
my
shit.
God.
That's the birthday dance.
That's the birthday dance.
Put a filter on it, like put a filter on it.
Why? I say, well, you not believe in a natural self.
Yeah, but
I need this guy here. Yo, me there. I love the great.
Paint town shot up a Botswana. Shot rum raw step like Johnny Walker. Sticking a weird mud like John Carter. Up, top.
Ready? It's a
Yeah, that.
guys, you all think I'm gonna laugh in my hair. You guys laugh my hair actually.
No.
David?
That should taste good, right? Yeah, do have the sweet.
One thing to open guys, thank you guys. One thing to put me at back then. That's what. Damn. Where's the juice? It's in the refrigerator?
It's in the freezer.
Huh?
Go for it.
What I'm afraid of.
He's not doing nothing.
He's shimmy into the
How about
fridge.
it? Make me good on them with the beef.
That's it.
Yeah,
When you frost. When I first I get the munchies, you know?
Wait, that's why I buy the snack. Guys, I am still by, you know. It's crazy. He called me over. We had like a weird conversation. I might not see me, but yeah, because when they on the back porch, them still shoot some content inside. But let's get personal. So I came over. It's Demar's birthday and team. So yeah, and I guess I'm just asking for go on a date. I don't know how I feel about that, but I just say yes, yeah, man. Just go with the flow. Life is fucking short. But there's some more content and thing. Vibe a bit with them because it's Demar's birthday. Let's see what happens. Would you guys like to see me go on a date with her? Like, don't book that. I'm not even gonna run here asking like this, but like, if you guys want to see that, let me know. It's content, and I guess I'm in content world and stuff. Fuck it, like, what the fuck? Yes, I did. It's me. So, let me know if another one wants to that date. That vibe to some music. I met a nice girl, just vibing, you know. She introduced me to some good new artists. Yeah, well, new to me, and did it. When I meet people, I like to, you know, find out what their music taste is.
What are you like?
Go on with it.
Yeah?
Go on with it. Go on with it.
Where adjust it so we can adjust it?
To the bright light.
No, we don't want to do bright. Is somebody for adjust?
Click the top. Just click it. Click it. Yeah. Yeah, click it. Okay. Ooh, it's so cold outside. Yeah, but as much as I say, guys, so yeah. But like when we meet people, I'm gonna get to know them through and like connect with them through music. So was just introducing me to some artists that she listened to, and that was a good little vibe, you know. Take the time to listen, because yeah, you know, in our musical spirit, so you know, I try to be inspired in many ways. Oh, it's a little bit chilly outside. Oh my god. I soon go home. Someone don't know when I go home I talk to them. I think this is gonna be the end of the vlog, really and truly. Because my sister never want me plan to do whenever I get to do, but that's fine. I'm still gonna do it and take you guys along with me. But I just saw the day I did plan to end up go. My mama telling her, you know, we never really have a direction for the day, but we still end up like jump out and, you know, do some things so that I could get a vlog. As I say, I want to try to stay consistent. So guys, make sure to stay on and subscribe to the video, please. Like the video, comment, like just get the engagement going up so that I can feel like I want to post more, you know, like I talk to my man, like when I go out with, when I deal with, when I depend. I'm not really like share too much, but yeah, we can go into some things and we can go fast and my business look a bit, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, just left in a comment and just big up on yourself same way. Yeah, you know, your girl at least more all the time signing. And I feel like we are signing out right because we don't think much more of a go on. But let me know. I don't want to see me and crank up on a date. Like me saying that is just crazy to me. You know, just fancy me after that, like right here. So yeah, make me know if I don't want to that. Yeah. I'm gonna go away. And I'm gonna know say yo, I forgot listen to my new song, Apply the Pressure. Baby, are you up for this? Give me all your loving so that I can turn and twist. Send me now, you know all I'm talking. I am feeling hot tonight. Me ready for the bump and grind. Put me on your big ninja bike. Send me one the wickedest ride. Grip me tight and slip it inside. Rev your RR up me hillside. Tonight me a ride, me a do it with no pride. Me want me hands them tied. And a magnum and a couple mudslide. Look at Miss Grippy right now, she want ride. The house stay too far, we doing it outside. Baby, are you up for this? Yeah, we do for myself. I'm out!
Just so you don't know really so easy. You don't know. Big up Alicia Moore. Go over to our Viva channel, listen to our music, stream it up, no man. We golden. Bad artists, cool it. Yeah.
Oh, alright.